Are you planning to study in Azerbaijan? The Azerbaijan student visa allows eligible students to enter the country for educational purposes through a clear and structured process. Students who receive admission or an invitation from a recognized educational institution in Azerbaijan may apply for a student visa based on the duration and nature of their studies. Depending on the program, student visas may be issued for short-term courses or for longer academic periods. The visa conditions depend on the study duration approved by the authorities. To apply, students must prepare the required documents. These include a valid passport, a completed visa application form, an official invitation or admission letter from the institution, supporting financial documents, medical insurance, and passport-size photographs. The application process involves completing the form carefully, uploading the required documents, reviewing all details, and submitting the request for processing. Once approved, the visa decision is communicated electronically. Students who need to remain in Azerbaijan beyond the initial visa period must follow the extension procedure before the visa expires, as per local immigration rules. With proper documentation and timely application, the Azerbaijan student visa supports a smooth entry for academic studies.